Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily repair your corrupt or broken video files using a powerful tool called SFWare Video Repair software. First things first, you'll need to download and install the SFWare Video Repair software on your computer. You can find the download link in the description below. Once the installation is complete, open the software. You'll see a user-friendly interface. Now, locate the Add File button and click on it. This will open your File Explorer. Navigate to the location of your corrupted video file and select it. Okay, the corrupted video is now added to the software. Next, we need to select a reference file. Choose a healthy video file that was recorded on the same device or camera as the corrupted one. This helps the software understand the original video format and characteristics. Now that we have both the corrupted and reference file selected, click on the Repair button. The software will now start analyzing and repairing your corrupted video. Click on the Preview button to check if the software successfully repaired your video. Carefully watch the preview to ensure the video plays smoothly and without any issues. If you're happy with the repaired video, it's time to save it. Click on the Save button and choose a location on your computer where you want to save the repaired video file. And there you have it. You've successfully repaired your corrupted video file using SFWare Video Repair software.